I keep washing it away, trying to make the most of my days, trying not to fade away. Niggas still toting blocks and bitches still on my jacket. I'm trying to control my blood, trying to get back to my pops and trying to get more than my blood. And I'm trying to stay poppin', trying to reconnect with my mom. And I'm trying to make a voice stop. And I'm trying not to stop, trying to be just who I am and let you be just who you are. Trying to make the most out of this, trying to change the words to the best. And I'm trying not to stress, trying to start holding my chest out. Starting not to care when I'm left out. I'm stuck in my head now, trying to get out of my bed now. I'm trying to get out of my head now, get to the bed now. Trying not to settle for less now, trying to run my room to my left now. Settle for less now. Things still on the block and the kids are pussy poppin'. Trying to stop the watching, trying to reform the cops and take this for what they are. And I'm trying to stay conscious, trying to take control of my brain, and I'm trying to feel the pain. I keep washing it away, trying to make the most of my days, trying not to fade away. And we are trying to be free like we. But there's no way we're gonna live like this. I said we are trying to be free like this, but it ain't no way we gon' live like this. Niggas still on the block and the kids are pussy poppin'. Trying to stop the watching, trying to reform the cops and see this for what they are. And I'm trying to stay conscious, trying to control my brain, and I'm trying to feel. I keep washing it away, trying to make the most of my days, trying not to fade away. Head down, mind up, remind you why you tryna be like us. When you not like us, you be tryna copy my looks, the my hooks. Hate on me when I get booked. Settle down. I just work when you be sleeping, focusing when you are tweeting. Hate the way they tryna see me now. See my love and precious things, spin my aura through your screen. Don't hate on me, I tried to teach y'all. My people prayed upon my downfall. I had no room for doubt, though I had galaxies of space. Hate the way I sang, hate that we the same. Hate me cause I make you feel lesser, I know. Envy and jealousy tend to ruin many things. No, it's not healthy, but it's human. We are human, you know, but we are different some ways. Cause you could focus your hate, or you could let it go. Think you should let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Head down, mind up, remind you why you tryna be like us. When you're not like us, you be tryna copy my looks, steal my hooks. Hate on me when I get booked. I just want to party next door, party on the block, party till 5 o'clock. Check my clock, I'm hungry, ignore my stomach's rumblings. We go to Jack in the Box and I barely get shit again. Struggling, fighting with the butterflies in my tummy. You make me feel like I'm something, but I regurgitate them cause I really don't got time for you. If you ain't got your mind straight and you ain't got no time for us, you just gotta show me that you might be the one. Get inside of looking foolish in love. Here's what you're signing up for. Everyone already thinks I'm a whore. Contrarily, you're not getting in this pussy if you're not opening doors for me and then every other woman passing through the door. Niggas really must have forgot how to act. Backtracking, backpacking up these backpedaling bandwagoners. When are we gonna start facing the facts that these halfway, half-baked ass men not cutting it? My man already kinda know how to act. Until he perfect for me, he don't deserve me fully. I don't got time to teach every nigga I mean how to act. So get your mama and tell her that I need that. ASAP, no Rocky.
Run it back, run it up. This nigga know how to stack. And he got my back.
If y'all catch me lacking, I know he on your ass. And people coming for you. It's hard to party if you're not shaking ass. Niggas acting heartless like they mama classy. You know she got a pass. Skipping class in high school. Your mama not a saint. And bitches wanna parade. And bitches wanna get laid. And bitches wanna get paid. Pretty girls wanna parade. Pretty girls wanna turn up all night with their homegirls, dancing half naked with the lights off in their own world. Pretty girls wanna look stupid with our pants off. Pretty girls don't care if our hair fucked up. Pretty girls sleep butt naked with the lights on. Party girls fucking with the lights on. Pretty girl doing what she want 'cause it's her life, huh? Party girl doing how she like, huh? Y'all hate it while a nigga flexing. Niggas around me think they blocking my blessings. And bitches mad cause they won't see me stressing. I'm living fast, ain't no broker gon' catch me. I'm in class with nobody gon' test me. Still gon' pass, so sit down, learn your lesson. Got a bag, which the bitch try to check me, but I ain't mad cause that shit ain't no pressure. Got my ex calling bitch on the text, she throwing up, man, that bitch ain't a breakstick. I blocked the number cause that hoe want attention, and I ain't fucking with that shit cause she messy. And y'all niggas be talking that shit, well you not there, but soon as you get to the place, them bitches be quiet as fuck like they wasn't just talking, but I say that shit to your face. Next move about to be my best when I'm on the board, but I ain't playing chess. Man, your girl acting up, better check her. I'm on my mind, man, some might call me mental. Let me rhyme and this shit could get hectic. Waste my time and this shit gon' get messy. Slip my wrist, suicidal depression. I kill a bitch if my niggas would let me. And my ex-press thinking he bested me. Guess the bro always gon' be a hoe mentally. These bitches swear that they gon' get the best of me, but I'm not finna let that shit get to me. And yo, niggas say that I'm the MVP. That's why all these bum broke bitches envy me. These girls could barely contest in my energy. Ugly ass bitches could never be friends with me. Serve time, but I ain't been arrested. I'm on your mind. Keep a fuck nigga guessing. Broke a spine cause that bitch tried to test me. I served my time, but that whole learned a lesson. I'm doing mine, bitches ain't 50 questions. Now I'm lying, but I leave a whole breath. Now she crying, got a bitch out here stressing. I'm showing signs that I'm not to be messed with. And like a gun with no safety, I'm not to be played with like lions. I'm catching, it's hard to contain me, you trying. But bitch, you do not speak my language. You knocking my flow, but you know and you hate it. This shit could get dangerous, so why should you stay on? Little nigga, quit playing, I go Super Saiyan. When I was young, they didn't teach me to play cards. Shooting my shot like I played ball. Testing my luck like I'm shaking an 8-ball. People died off them 8 balls. I'm like 19 and I can't buy an 8th, y'all. I used to have folks that handle that. Stuck by myself now, I swear that I hate y'all. Always is going and you can't get them back now. Bitches, they want me to crash out. I was brought up too well just to act out. I start to shine and who don't got who back now. You bitches be ready to back out. Hoes be ready to use what you vent about. When you fall out, they tell all their friends. And that nigga you swear that you'll die about will turn around and fuck on you. I'm in your hood, slurping on a cup of noodles. You nigga, a bitch right that hoe like a poodle. Pulled out the stick and I told that bitch toodles. My gang with this shit ain't no talking, we shooters. I'm out with the clan. I'm out with the clan and them boys can be wasted. Snatch up your man's, got him locked in my basement. Switch up the flow and I kill it like Jason. I could get hot, she sizzle like bacon. Tight like a jar, yeah, these boys call me Mason. Clocks at the car late, I'm out on the pavement. Freak, I'm a geek, I'm unique, no adjacent. I flip it, I spit it, I want it, I take it. You fuck with my crew and we gon' leave you shaking. These bitches be pressing like ain't no replacing. They want my art, but it ain't for the taking. I said it before that I go Super Saiyan. And everybody been knowing, bitch, I been ready to kill it. And everybody been knowing, I'm hotter than a skillet. And everybody been knowing, said I've been acting brand new, but everybody been new. So I'm not even gonna tell you, because everybody been knowing. I'm gonna be great, yeah, and everybody been knowing. I'm feeling rage, and everybody been knowing. They calling my name, 'cause everybody been knowing. When I hit the stage, and you know everybody been knowing. I'm finna let loose, I'm coming for you. I'm tying up loose ends, and I got news, nigga, I should really kill you. And everybody been knowing, 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 and everybody, and everybody been knowing, and everybody been knowing, and everybody been knowing. My daddy raised me calculated, my blessings are created. You been looking overrated, and we been knew this. My heart so cold, it beats so slow, and my pulse so cold. You could check my wrist, my blood too rich. I feel it through my soul, man. I really do this. It's written in my code. And everybody been knowing. Rockefeller. Real go-getter, real trendsetter, real bad nigga. Real savage, real bad bitch. I'll be your maverick. All you want, all you need. And I'll show you magic and fuel all your energy. I'll take you to heaven, heaven, heaven. I'll show you everything, anything you want. And I know what you are, beautiful children. And I want to take care of us. Desperado, sitting in the backseat of the old Americano. Finna do what I want, solo, dolo. Finna hijack it, stolo. Oh no, I did it. Oh no, not again. Tell me if you feel me. Pray it don't kill me. I'll bring you to heaven. Bring you to his feet. Drop down to your knees. Take me to heaven, heaven, heaven. They've shown us everything. Ain't no surplus. Knowledge bestowed upon me. Captain of industries. Give me life. After life, show me signs. Please, oh God, on the rise. Oh, that will be alright. I know that will be alright. I'm tired of talking, I don't wanna fight. You think I wanna stay over tonight, but I'm kinda over the look in your eyes. And I'm tired of looking foolish and naive. I say I'm done, then you run back to me. Why when I want you to go, can't you leave? And I'm tired of thinking so much about you. Say that you want me, but it's hard to choose. You only want me when you're scared to lose me. And you care oh so much about how you're perceived. So much you think that you think about me. Everyone knows now it's not hard to see that you're a ruthless slut, you're a heartless boy, you're hooked on drugs. You think we adore you, two-timer and a high school dropout living at home. Your mom's your cop-out, faded, running from how you feel, jaded, hoping that it's not real. You're losing yourself in every girl, you're really fucked up. That's how your world looks, feeling us inhumane, sick and twisted, running your games. Are you happy now? We're both in pain, we'll get over it, but we'll never be the same. Ruin us, hardly human, ruined us. You're fucking stupid, hateful, and nonchalant. You're self-obsessed, self-sabotaging, heartless. Tell me, where has your heart went? Were you always this hateful? Well, now I'm turning the tables. I just wanted to love you, never needed to trust you. Heartless, heartless. You're ruthless, you're heartless boy, you're hooked on drugs. You think we adore you, two-timer and high school running from how you feel, jaded, hoping that it's not real. You're losing yourself in every girl. You're really fucked up. That's how your world looks heartless. I love submissively, generously, femininely. What's T? These niggas don't understand me. Tryna see my V and my 3Ds wanna feel on me. How do I get where I wanna be, where I'm tryna be? I'ma be 3D on your TV screens. I can't let you tire me. Please just fire me. Clock on, even put in my 2 weeks. I love submissively, generously, femininely. What's T? These niggas don't understand me. Tryna see my V and my 3Ds wanna feel on me. How do I get where I wanna be, where I'm tryna be? I'ma be 3D on your TV screens. I can't let you tire me. Please just fire me. Clock on, even put in my 2 weeks. I brought you to the table, and you couldn't even pull up a chair. You know that I'm able, but nobody was here, but nobody was there. Bitch, I made you, and you'll never find me anywhere else. I hope I take you away. I love submissively, generously, femininely. What's T? These niggas don't understand me. Tryna see my V and my 3Ds wanna feel on me. How do I get where I wanna be, where I'm tryna be? I'ma be 3D on your TV screens. I can't let you tire me. Please just fire me. Clock going, even put in my 2 weeks. Niggas still on the block and the kids are pussy poppin'. Trying to stop the watching, trying to reform the cops and see this for what they are. And I'm trying to be conscious, trying to take control of my brain, and I'm trying to heal the pain, but I keep washing it away. Trying to make the most of my days, trying not to fade away. Niggas still toting Glocks and bitches stay on my jock, and I'm trying to control my plot, trying to give back to my pops and trying to give more to my block, and I'm trying to stay poppin', trying to reconnect with my mom, and I'm trying to make the voices stop, and I'm trying not to stop, trying to be just who I am and let you be just who you are. Trying to make the most out of this, trying to change the worst to the best, and I'm trying not to stress, trying to start holding my chest out, starting not to care when I'm left out. I'm stuck in my head now, trying to get out of my bed now, I'm trying to get out of my head now, and get to the bread now, trying to let my right from my left now, I'm trying not to settle for less now, won't settle for less now. Niggas still on the block, and the kids are pussy poppin', trying to stop the watching, trying to reform the cops, and see this for what they are. And I'm trying to stay conscious, trying to take control of my brain, and I'm trying to heal the pain, but I keep washing it away, trying to make the most of my days, trying not to fade away. And we all trying to be free like Glee, but it ain't no way we gon' live like this. And we all trying to be free like Glee, but it ain't no way we can live like this.